So this US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Monday the 9th of April. Now, let's just have a look what I'm pricing and where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices come down towards this 106 level, from which we did see strong bullish buy side momentum taking us above the 107.32. We've had a brief pullback, another test beyond the 107.32. We weren't able to hold on to 107.32, and we had prices come down towards this 106.80, trade below this 106.94. So from this 106.94, we have seen the bullish buy side momentum, but we do appear at present to be seeing some sell side momentum come into the market. So overall trend here has been clearly to the upside here more recently. So we'll see if we do come back down for a retest of the 106.94. If we do hold support for a move back up towards that 107.32, possibly up towards that 107.50. If however we do see that move, if we do see that move to that above the 107.32 levels that we are looking at here to the upside, if we do see the bullish buy side momentum continuation beyond the 107.32, will be a move up towards that 108.13, successful break from which we're looking for price to move up towards that 108.80. If however we are not able to hold support of the 106.94 on a test, we're looking for price to progress down towards that 106.50, where we do have the 200 period moving average. Successful break from which we're looking for price to down towards that 106.32. And if we do not hold support at 106.32, we're then looking for prices to progress down towards that 105.55 while being aware of the 400 period moving average, sitting slightly below the 106.32. Now, if we have a look at the higher time frames first, secondly, let's just have a look here. So on the US dollar Japanese yen, we have seen a move to the upside, very sharp move to the upside. We've seen the progression here to the downside. We've been in a bit of a consolidative range. Now seeing the breakout to the downside. We're seeing a bit of a recovery here in around the 200 period moving average here on the monthly time frame. We'll see whether the recovery progresses upwards before seeing that further sell side momentum taking us back down towards these levels here, down towards the lows. Now, that's if we are to see the momentum follow through from this selling just here. Now, that's pretty much what we are looking at here on the monthly time frame. So we head over to the weekly. On the weekly time frame, we can see here, further move upwards, had a consolidation, had a break to the downside. Now we are seeing a bit of recovery from that 104.65. We are seeing the recovery on the weekly time frame here, so we'll see whether we can post a higher low and see the continued progression to the upside, or whether this is merely a stronger retracement before seeing a retest of the previously identified levels in around the 105.55 and the 104.65 here. And if we have a brief look at the daily chart before wrapping up on the US dollar Japanese yen, on the daily chart, and we do appear about this very sharp move. So we're back above the 20 period moving average here on the daily chart, formed our lows in around at 104.65. Strong move upwards, deep retracement, another move upwards, and we did have a bit of a pullback. We'll see whether we do form a break out to the upside and see prices progress towards our 108.13, possibly up towards our 108.80, if we can continue to maintain the bullishness that we have seen more recently here on the US dollar Japanese yen. And with that said, that wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.